It is about that time again where Sephora has another VIB sale. And it's time to share with you my recommendations and my wish list. So if you're interested, keep on watching. Don't forget to click that subscribe button, hit that like button, and maybe there's gonna be a giveaway for you at the end. So continue watching. So here are some of my recommendations that I have for you. If you check back, like I think their last VIB sale was in April, which was so recently. So if you check back, I have another list of recommendations. I try not to recommend the same things, although I think one of them is the same. So I have 5 recommendations here for you, and then I'm gonna share with you some of the things that I stupidly purchased. Some of the things that I stupidly purchased because I didn't know that the sale was going on, so I purchased it 1-2 days before I found out there was a sale. So I already have a couple of things that would have been on my wish list, and then I'm gonna share with you guys what is on my wish list. So the first recommendation I have for you is, I love this stuff. Now, a lot of these things are tried and trues for me, things that I've gone through many of. So these are from Fresh Beauty, and I have gone through probably at least 3 or 4 bottles of this. However, these were picked up by Octoly and sent to me by Octoly from Fresh Beauty. So I did receive this for free. And of course, if it wasn't available on Octoly, I would have actually purchased it myself, but thank you to Octoly. These are the Black Tea Kombucha Facial Treatment Essence. I absolutely adore this product. It is one of the best essences on the market there. It's similar to the SK2 one, however, it does have a little bit more thickness and tackiness to it, but this is so good. So this is a great product. You could just dab onto your face, just like that. It has a nice, really fresh scent to it. You can use a cotton pad, but I like to just kind of like tap it onto my face. So this is powered by kombucha. It increases moisture, luminosity for a radiant, lustrous complexion. It has a high concentrated age delay treatment that provides daily antioxidants and anti-pollution protection, which helps prevent premature signs of skin aging. And I love that it comes in 3 sizes. It has this one, there's a bigger size. This one is perfect for travel. I wish that I had gotten this before I went to Asia, but really, really, really love this product. The next product is one that, if you know me, you know that I recommend this all the freaking time. It is the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. A little bit goes a long way, and this has a lot of product in it, even though this is, I believe, my 4th tube. I love the big, thick doe foot applicator on this, and this literally, you can use this to highlight, you can use this to conceal, you can use this to contour. It literally has such good coverage while feeling natural. I absolutely adore this product. The next product is also another Fresh product, and I also received this from Octoly. However, I already have 2 of the lemon ones. One is in my purse and one is downstairs, and I use it before I go to sleep. And so, yeah, so Octoly had sent this to me, so thank you Octoly and Fresh. But Fresh's lip products are so fantastic. It's decadent, it's luxurious, but they feel so moisturizing on the lips. I absolutely love this stuff. I put this on before I go to sleep, and my lips feel so good in the morning. This is just such a lovely lip balm, and I really swear by all of their lip balms. I really love these in the pots, but I also really love their stick ones. I love the mint one. I love the colored ones. Oh my gosh. Fresh really could do no wrong with me when it comes to their lip products. And the reason why I had ordered these because this lemon one smells so good. It smells like lemon cookies, but I did also really want to try the peach one. The peach one smells like peach rings, like candy. It smells so delicious. Holy moly. The next product I think is one that I had recommended last time, and it looks disgusting and dirty, but this is the Drunk Elephant Debronzy Anti-Pollution Sunshine Serum. I have been literally using this nonstop over the summer. This one is pretty much almost done, I think. But it just gives you the perfect bronze shade. If you are lacking in color, I am not someone that likes to go out into the sun. So anything that'll give me a nice bronze like I did go in the sun, I am down for it. So as you can see, gives you a beautiful bronzy color. Definitely an item that not only I'm going to use during the summer, but during those winter months when you're looking pale, that's going to be a really great item. The last item that I'm going to recommend of the products that I have is the Skin Fix Eczema Plus Extra Strength Body Cream. I literally use this every day. I switch off between this and the First Aid Beauty one, but this one I find more effective when my skin is a little bit more not good. And so this is such a lovely cream. It's thick, it's creamy, and for all of my eczema patches, this is really, really lovely. I love that it doesn't sting my skin. I mean, I know all of you that have eczema, you know what I'm talking about. But this has colloidal oatmeal in it. It's good for sensitive, eczema-prone skin. It has sweet almond oil, oat extract, oat oil, moringa oil, shea butter, and I love this stuff. I always wake up and my skin feels nourished. It does take a bit to kind of rub in, so I do sometimes use an oil along with this, but this is seriously fantastic. Now, I am about to show you my wish list, but before I show you my wish list, there are two items that are not going to be on my wish list because, oh, I purchased them already from Sephora because I didn't know that the sale was about to happen. So had I not already purchased these would also be on my wish list. But first up, I have the Tatcha Silk Peony Melting Eye Cream. I'm so excited about this. When they first said that they were launching this, I can't even open this. I was like, give this to me. So it's in this small little tub. It smells good. Oh, it's really, really thick actually. So it's super dense feeling. So I'm super excited to try this. Let me know if you want a review of this. I'd be happy to do one. The other thing that I had picked up was the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Eye Sleeping Mask. I love, love, love their avocado sleeping mask. So I was super excited when they came out with the eye one, and it has retinol, which is really exciting. And the cool thing about theirs is that it's not just regular retinol, it's encapsulated retinol, which means that as you put it on your eyes before you go to sleep or whenever, the awesome thing is that all the retinol doesn't come out at one time. Instead, it encapsulates it, so it kind of releases it a little bit at a time, so the retinol is not too strong. You know how sometimes for me, retinol is like way too strong and like it dries out my skin and it's horrible. Oh, this one's also super dense and yummy feeling. Yeah, these both feel so nice. I kind of looked at these and I was like, oh my gosh, which one should I try first? So which one do you guys think I should try first? And not only that, so I was so excited to buy that. Then of course, a couple of days later, I actually received their PR package, which has the eye mask and it has their retinol sleeping mask. I didn't even realize that they have a sleeping mask as well with the retinol in it. So that's really, really cool. I'm excited to try that. Yeah, so these are my recommendations. These were on my wish list, and I'm going to show you the rest of my wish list for the things that I'm going to purchase at the VIB sale in a couple of days. All right, heading into my app, here is my basket of the things I'm buying. The first thing that I always buy are my Shiseido facial cotton squares, rectangles. They're so good. I love how much it soaks in items. Look, it doesn't even work. But tried and true, I always buy this at every sale. The next item is this Laura Mercier Tinted Moisturizer. I've been dying to try this, but I never get through any of them, so I wanted to purchase the small mini size of it. So we'll see how that is. The next item is like a luxury item for me. I wouldn't tend to buy this, but this was so pretty. Like, look how pretty that is. I really wanted this crystal facial roller set from Sephora, and it got good reviews. And lastly, I definitely wanted to pick up the Fresh lip treatment. I mean, you already know how much I love their lip products, and this is a collaboration with Ingrid, and I need this for the fall, like for sure. So these are the items that I am picking up at the VIB Sephora sale. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope this was helpful for you. Please let me know down below if you are going to be purchasing anything. Leave me a comment, and I will choose a winner in a couple of days. I'm going to link all of the information in the info bar, and you can win yourself a gift card from me to you to purchase during your Sephora sale. So let me know down below in the comments what you'll be buying. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.